How are you doing today? Okay, you guys, so I was going to show you a tour of our flip house. And before I do that, I wanted to show you guys I got a really fun package in from Beach Riot. They have some really cute summery beachy clothes, and I know it's fall coming up, but Stuart and I are going on a cruise, which is super weird how it happened, but also really cool how it happened. So I had entered in a giveaway on Instagram, and I usually never win anything. And this was really, I didn't think I was going to win this one, like at all, because there were just so many people that entered into it. So our anniversary is coming up, and I usually like to try to go somewhere and like a little getaway for our anniversary. And so I was looking at places to stay in Door County, which is northern Wisconsin. We live in southern Wisconsin, so it's like maybe like a 2-hour drive. And I was looking at these like little cottages and little places to stay. And like as I was looking at those things, I was like, there weren't any great places that stood out to me. And so I'm like researching and researching, and I get this notification on my phone, and I saw it was the picture of the giveaway of the Bahamas, and I like dropped my phone because I thought it was fake. And so I opened it up and I saw that it said my name, like, congratulations, KJ Dusing, you have won the giveaway. And I started crying because I was like, this is so much better than Door County. And I've never been on a cruise before, so I was super excited about that. And so then I called Stuart right away. He didn't pick up, so I was like, I left him a voicemail crying, and he thought something was wrong. But I was just super excited. And so yeah, we're going on a cruise coming up in early November. And Beach Riot sent me over some really cute pieces to wear on the cruise. So I'm just going to show you guys what they all sent me. It was super sweet, and they're super cute things. Okay, so they sent over this cute swimsuit. I love all of their patterns. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. And it has this cute little tie in the front. You can adjust it. And it's really soft. At first I thought it was more of a like a onesie that you can wear. It's like seriously that soft. And then they have these adjustable straps. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And then this really, really pretty dress. So it's a maxi dress. It's really, like the fabric on it is super breathable, which is really, really nice for just like hotter days. Dear. Hi, Mia. Hi, girlfriend. How are you today? Hi, honey. So yeah, this is like a floral pattern, and then there's these ties that are at the top. And then the back kind of, it's hard to like tell. So it's kind of like a low cut back, and then you can even use it as like a swimsuit cover up or just like a night out kind of dress, but it's super pretty and really lightweight, which is what I like. Hi, honey. Okay, and then they also sent over this cute little set. So it comes with pants, and they're high-rise pants. They're like this linen material, so they're super lightweight. They're just like so beachy. I love it. And so yeah, they come up pretty high on me. They're a little bit big, but I think that's just more of the beachy style. I don't know. I couldn't tell if they were just like, I don't know. So then this is the top that comes with it. If I can get it. Oh dear. Just for a visual. And I definitely wouldn't have, I usually don't wear stuff like this just because I don't wear stuff that shows too much skin. But with the pants being so high, I think this would be a really cute combo, especially at the beach. I feel like it's going to be better when I'm at the beach and not where I live, because it would be kind of scandalous, but it'll be cute. It's just super feminine. Right, Mia? She's still having a ball. You're so cute. You're so funny. This is today's outfit. Got my mom jeans on. I love them. They're so comfortable. And I also have my plant shirt from Urban, my flower shirt. It's super cute and it's so comfortable. And I love all things flowers and plants, so it suits me very well. I wear it too often, but I love it. Okay, so this is when you first walk in the front door. Here's my beautiful big window. And then a living room. Oki, do you like the living room? It's everything pretty much from our house we brought over here, so you're very familiar with everything, aren't you? And this is our front entryway table. And then the table that Stuart made. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It fits perfectly in here. And then our cute little light fixture. And I bought this plant to go in the corner just to fill space. And then the kitchen. We found these super awesome bar stools. I think we, TJ Maxx, yeah. TJ Maxx. And it's just super open. It was perfect for entertaining for everyone at the open house. We had a whole bunch of food in here. The appliances are awesome. I'm super jealous. Oh, everything works great. Hi, Oaks. And then this is the family room. I love the fireplace. Hi, buddy. And then I love how this turned out too. It's so cute. Now I'll show you guys the laundry room. We don't have a washer or dryer in here yet, but that'll go right here. And then our shower, and then these cute little hooks. It turned out so nice and bright, which is exactly what I wanted. And then Stuart made this cute little bench. We have the dryer vent right there, so we kind of wanted to hide it a little bit. And so we just put that there. I put a cute little basket and a blanket. And then this mirror I actually found in the basement. It was a brushed gold color, and I just spray painted it black to match all of our faucets and hardware. And then I'll show you the light that we got from IKEA. Super cute. And then this is the half bath. I have to hang the mirror still, so it should go a little bit further up, but just so you guys get an idea. And then show you all the sunroom. And the wallpaper in here before, it used to be yellow, and then I just went ahead and painted it dark just to make it a little bit more modern. And look at all these windows. Oh, I'm so happy with this room. Do you like it, Oaks? Do you like it? Are you happy here? Now, this is like my favorite room. And then the people that lived here before, they left this here for us. And it is just so precious. I love it. It's just so cute. Oh, careful, bud. And then the patio. Okay, Oaks, ready? Yeah, and then I'll show you guys the bedrooms. Are you my buddy today? Here is the main bathroom. There's the freestanding tub, the double vanity. Turned out so pretty. This was a lot of people's favorite room in the whole house, which I don't blame them. And the shower. Good boy. And then the master bedroom. And then I made this like the teen room. And then this is my sister's old canopy bed that she let us borrow. So thank you, Lauren. And then this is like my other favorite room. I love this. This is the home office. Just to give people an idea of what they could turn it into. Just because it's a little bit smaller. But this would be a cute nursery or like little kids room. And I got all of this stuff pretty much from IKEA. This is from our Hawaii trip. We went snorkeling like right here, or yeah. Then I got the desk from IKEA. I got that chair from TJ Maxx. I loved this little mug. I buy too many, but that one just stood out to me. I just had to have it. So yeah, okay. Do you like the house? Do you like it? You good boy. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more videos coming your way. A lot of videos, hopefully, of our house that we live in because there is a lot of DIY and TLC that needs to be done. Okay, say goodbye. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Thank you.